Here we have another proportion or equation, and we need to solve for the unknown, that is h. So we first cross multiply, and that's 2.6 times 0.5 equals 1.3 times h. Now don't do any multiplication, just divide both sides by 1.3. And that's equal to h. Now notice that there's one decimal place here, one decimal place here, and we need to get rid of both the decimal numbers. And the only way to do that would be by multiplying by 100. And if we multiply the numerator by 100, we multiply the denominator by 100. So 100 is 10 times 10. So basically we're going 2 times 6 times 10 times 0.5 times 10. The 10 times 10 is really 100. And this is 130, because when you multiply 1.3 by 100, it moves the decimal point by 2 place values to the right. And this is equal to h, and this is 26. Multiplying by a 10 moves the decimal point by 1 place value. So we have 26 times 5 divided by 30. 130 equals h. 26 is 13 times 2 times 5 divided by 13 times 10, and 10 is 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, so that makes 13 times 10, 130 equals h. Now cancel common factors, and we're left with h equals 1. We can plug in h equals 1 into the original equation and check if the answer is correct. We cross multiply. We get 1.3 is equal to 2.6 times 1 really is 2.6 times 0.5. 2.6 times 0.5 now the number of decimal places here is 1 and here it's 1, so it's a total of 2, so that's equal to 1.3, and that's equal to 1.3 times 1, that is 1.3. And you know that the solution x equals, or h equals 1 is a correct answer.